Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to add a Chrome extension so that we can see all the Google Meet participants at a time simultaneously together. What happens presently is Google Meet allows you around 15 to 20 participants in tiled presentation which you can see together at the same time. But for example, if you want to see all the participants together, or you are conducting an online exam, so there is a need to get all the participants together on the screen at the same time. So how can we do that on Google Chrome, Google Meet? So we can use a simple Chrome extension offered by Chris Gamble. You can just open the link which I have attached along to this video. Here's a link. The screen would be somewhat similar like this. The extension is named Google Meet Grid View. So you can see here it is written add to Chrome. Just click over it and give some permission, add extension, and you can see the Google Meet Grid View has been added to Chrome. Now what we have to do, have to just open the Meet, Google Meet, wherever we want to join. For example, this is a sample meet happening in another device. So just I'll join this meeting quickly. So I have joined this meeting. You can see here a new option would come up. You can see there is an option of this grid coming up. Whenever I hover over it, it shows some feature. You can just check it out, like include yourself in the grid, enable grid view by default, enable screen capture mode. So I can just like include yourself in grid, it's fine for me. Enable screen capture mode, I can just switch on off it. For example, if I want to record the screen, then this feature is bit useful, so you can just open it. And also its source code is available on GitHub for free use, you can check it out. Yeah, so whenever I click on this grid icon, suddenly you can see all the, for example, this meeting has currently 9 participants, so all the 9 participants are here. And if the meeting has n number of participants, you can see n number of participants tiled up together on the screen. So this is a simple, I just, if I want to switch back to spotlight mode, just click over this icon again. You can see all the modes. It supposed various kinds of mode, so you can just, it's simple, just a click. So that's was all. Any doubt you can message me. Thanks.